Galaxy S22 Ultra Nillkin case first look and hands-on. The case came in stable packaging, so it's unlikely to be damaged during shipping. A simple screen protector with a microfiber cloth is included. Because of the rounded edges of the S22 Ultra, it is way too small though and leaves 3 to 6 mm of screen unprotected around the edges. It fits the S22 Ultra perfectly, and the cutouts for microphone, buttons, ports and camera are very precise. Overall, it doesn't add too much thickness to the phone and feels slimmer than the standard case that comes with the S22 Ultra. The lower half of the sides and the back of the case are structured and provide good grip. The cutout around the camera module is slightly taller than the module itself, so the camera is protected. While top and bottom of the phone are unprotected, the edges and sides are completely covered by the case. The sides of the case are the same height as the display. This makes using the phone while in the case feel more natural, but does not offer any additional protection for the screen. There are some tiny imperfections, like a bump not being perfectly molded as visible on the pictures attached. For the price, the build quality is still very solid though. The case is made from a slightly flexible plastic, and the surface is rubberized and matte. The top and bottom of the phone are unprotected, but this way the copper accents are still visible. The overall color matches the S22 Ultra's original finish. Together with the still visible color accents, this makes it a pretty subtle case. The logo in the lower right corner is on the larger side. I would have favored a smaller, less striking logo. For me, this is a haptic and visual upgrade from the standard case included by Nokia. I'd recommend it to anyone who doesn't want super rigid protection and still wants to show off the S22 Ultra's design.